Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is a magnifying glass. It's a 10 times optical glass lens, and it's also a desk lamp. As you can see, I'm wearing glasses, and the older I get, the tougher it is for me to see things, especially when I'm working on robotics or little parts like that, or if I want to do some reading at night. With this, oh my goodness, it's making my job so much easier. When you get this, when you open the box, you're going to have a USB charger. You're also going to have a clamp. You have the magnifying glass and the arm. Let's take a little close look at this. As you can see, I can rotate this right here and also right here. I can move this part here and I can pivot it way over here on this part right here. When you set this up, you really want to have this set up perpendicular to where you're going to be working. So if I had that arm over here, it's not going to work out. It has to come all the way over here. All right, let's take a close look at this lens here. All right, here is the magnifying glass right here. And you can see that there's a power button right here. So you just press that power button just like that. You can adjust the different levels. I'll tell you, oh my goodness, it's really bright right now. You can adjust the different levels of dimming right here. And then you can also adjust different colors. So here's how I have it set up on my desk with the clamp right here. Make sure that when you're putting this together, this part right here is a little wider than this part down here. So you want the wider part up, and then the clamp attaches to your desk. And then here I have it. So remember I told you it's always nice to have that perpendicular to where you're working. It would not work out on that side. So I can easily fold this up just like this. Let me turn the light off real quick for you so I don't blind you. But I can fold that up right there along the wall, and when I'm ready to use it, I just pull this out like this, put it right by my computer, and then I go ahead and turn that on just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and make that just a little brighter. There we go. And then let's take a close look at this. I don't know if it's doing justice with, looking with the phone right here, but it's made a huge difference in the type of work I do, especially, like I said, with electronics. It really works out nice on my desk, does not get in the way. When I'm done with it, I just click the power button off there, raise this up, fold in the arm, just like that, and then it's right out of the way. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and make sure you take a look at this lighted desk lamp right here. It's going to bring so much clarity and detail in the things that you're working on. Maybe it's sewing, crafts, looking at your collection of coins. Maybe you're working on things that have little parts to it. It makes your eyes feel so much better, and oh my goodness, it's like a whole new world that you're seeing. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that likey button down below, and we'll talk to you later. Adios! Goodbye!